Hello students, welcome back to our course. In the last class, we saw one very simple Python example in which we were supposed to calculate the sum and the product of three integers while we take the inputs from the users themselves. So I gave you one challenge in the last class is to check out for some erroneous values. So how that case goes is, if you look at the screen, this was our final result, final code, and how about if I run it again? So if I do not enter integers, for example I enter a, so our program, it gives an error and it does not run. So I asked all of you to check out for whether the users have given input as integers only, right? So this is something that I expected. I hope you must have done the homework. If you have not done, or if you were not able to do it, let's do it now. So students, let us see what we will do in order to check it. We will use some some predefined functions or Python inbuilt functions. What those are? If a dot is digit and b dot is digit and c dot is digit. If this thing holds true, it's only then the function should be invoked, right? Otherwise you should ask the user, please enter only integer values, right? So let's see. Okay, so one error that I will again face is let's see if it's an error or not. I have saved it and let's try to run it. Enter integer 2, 3, 4. So this works very fine, and int object has no attribute which is digit. Okay, so let us see how to improve this. I am removing this typecasting. And now we will typecast it. A equals int a, b equals int b, and c equals int c. Okay, now let us save it and try to run it again. Okay, and our final result is this. I'll explain you what I've done and why have I done it. And how about if I try to put something else, right? So very fine students, we have done it very nicely. Let us see what we have done. So initially I used to typecast my all the values. Okay, so in this case, since I cannot typecast a string or a character into an integer form, so that is why it gave us error in this line itself. But now what we'll do is we'll not typecast it here, we'll typecast it inside. So first of all, I'll check whether the a is a digit, whether the user has himself given the digit, and then if yes, then I'll typecast it. Then I'll convert that str into int. Fine. So once you check it, then typecast it, and then you invoke your function. But if you check upon these inputs, if these are not in digit form, what will you do in the else part? You will ask the user to print only integer values. Okay, so this was one thing. Again, students, you can always improve on your code. There are many other functionalities which you can check upon. Fine. And how do you do it? You do it with experience. As the more you practice, the better confidence you gain over the coding part. So that's the only way out. Practice, practice and practice. So try to practice the maximum problems which you can, which are available on the internet. It's only then you can master this art of coding, right? So this is our final problem statement of func problem, right? So yes, we have done it very well, this question. And next, topic of a module. So built-in modules is something we have already covered in the previous class. Python comes with a set of built-in modules that provide various functionalities, and these are the part of Python standard library. And these are some built-in modules written over here. And now my task is to explain you user-defined modules. What are these user-defined modules? So these are something that I will define. Fine. So I can make my own module the way I have math module, OS module, daytime module. I can make my own module. How interesting it is, no? So let us see what I'll do. I'll make another Python file. I'll say hello file. I already have the hello world, so I'll make hello file dot py. I'll just cross all of these. Okay, so here I have my hello file. So what I'll do, inside my hello file I'll have one function def hello. Okay, next I'll print hello. After I'm done printing, I'm writing if name is equal to main, what you should do, you should print main is running. Okay, and otherwise main is running, then you can evoke hello from here. Right, otherwise if that's not the case, else print hello module is imported. So we are looking for, if our main function is running, definitely I want to make it as my module. So this will not be a main, but let's see if it works. Fine. So this is my hello file.py. This is my module, and I will have another file which I will name as main file .py. Alright, so inside main file.py, what I'll do, I'll import this hello, right? Import hello file. Okay, so that's a capital. Okay, I'll import this module. Since this is my module, its name is hello file, I've imported it. And what I'll do, inside my module, inside this function, inside this module, I have this hello function. Fine. Hello file dot hello, print main program is being used. Okay, and I'll just put its name. Alright students, here we are. I have this one module. I've created my module. Fine. And here in the main file I have imported the module, and from that module I have this one particular function which is hello. Okay, so inside terminal, let's try to run this. I've saved both the files. Now let us see. Before I run it, just have a look at the code and try to guess what will be the final output. I will run my main file.py. Alright, so here we go. Now our next task is to look out for the final output, how the final output goes. So when I run this file, what is the first statement? Hello module is imported. So whenever I run this hello, so first of all it checks for if the name is main. Since the name is not main, this is not the main file, this is not being evoked, but this statement is being printed. Fine. Later on this hello module, it comes into play. Fine. When this comes into play, then hello module is being printed. Afterwards, when this we are done with the hello function, this final statement, the name of the final main program is being printed. Now the name is main, since this is our main file and this is our module file. So this is how it goes. So what we know is that this does not run because this is not our main file, this is our module file. I hope it makes sense to you. So this is how you can make various modules for various functionalities. If you want, you can have various functions inside these modules, and inside your main file you can call these various functions. Fine. I hope this is clear to you now. And yes, that's it for today's class, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.